So some pine. Look at that. Thank you for the jug. Now it's looking rose gold, isn't it? Oh my god, this smells so good. Let's do layers. Let's do layers. Thank you for selling me out with the powder. Thank you, thank you. I hope you enjoy the layers. Minute. Okay. Thank you. Hi, BBM. It smells good. Yeah, I'm gonna add more pink powder. I still have more in the bag. I don't like when it splashes a lot. Now it smells like pine and laundry. Yep, it ripped. I bought it from Sweet Sarah. It's the color powder that she's selling. I bought the neon pink. I bought neon pink and yeah, that's what we've been using. We've been using the neon pink. Okay, so the pink, some Roma. Let's do some game powder. Let's do some Comet. Dang, these are stacked. This is gonna be bomb. Go back. Thank you, my love. Ooh, we are almost sold out. Thank you, thank you. Look at that pink. It's so pretty. Let me add more on here. Okay, we got it. We're good. Let's go. That right there. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Ugh. Whew, that splash. You guys should see my legs. It's covered in Comet. Ugh. Yeah, that is Bug's Life. Can you guys hear it? Nikki! Nikki! That is Bug's Life, correct. Okay. Green powder. Smells delicious. Thank you. Oh my god, it smells so good. Let's do a hand mix. No, we used all the pinnatin already. I'm about to do a big powder mountain right now because there's not much powder left. No powder. Oh, there's 2 bags left, Aroma. 2 Aroma bags left. It'll be 6 for both bags. Or if you want to send for 1, it'll be 3. Just 2. Only 2 bags. For both bags, it'll be 6 total. If you want 1, it'll be 3. And that's all I have. I don't have more. Sending now. Thank you, my love. Yay, we are sold out. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Chat, we did it. Thank you so much. It literally looks like soft scrub right now. Pink. The pink soft scrub. Yeah, we're going to be doing a mountain. Because there's not a lot of powder left. Unless you guys want me to do powder bombs. I mean, I can do a powder bomb, but it's up to you guys. I only said mountain because I know you guys love watching a good mountain. But it's up to you. It's up to the chat. Wait, in the chat, you guys want powder bombs or mountain? You guys want powder bombs or mountain? Mountain, mountain, mountain. Powder bomb. Mountain. Yeah, did you send it to the CA? I can check right now. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna save this because I can literally use it for pink soft scrub. Okay, someone hand me a spoon, some pink ice cream or a milkshake. I'm gonna save a big jug of this pink because it's so pretty. I'll give you a straw. I can give you a big straw. The bubble one? Oh, that would be so perfect.